Hello everyone. Today we have to see the method to solve system of linear equation. So first method we saw, which is Gauss elimination method. Now this is second method, direct method, Cholesky method. Actually name of this person is Andrei Louis Cholesky. That's why the name is Cholesky method. And this method is also used for solving system of linear equations. So again see that here system of linear equation is there. a11x plus a12y plus a13z is equal to b1. The three equations are there where a11 are a12, next are all constants, b1, b2, b3 is also constant, and x, y, z our unknowns. We have to find the values of x, y, z using this Cholesky method. So given system is written in the matrix form. You know the matrix form Ax is equal to b. So A is the coefficient matrix of x, y, z, that is a11, a12, a13, a21, a22, a23 and a31, a32, a33 be the coefficients of x, y, z, x, y, z be the unknowns, that is our matrix X, and B is the matrix of their right hand sides b1, b2, b3. All the times that given matrix is symmetric matrix, means only when A is symmetric matrix this method is applicable, otherwise this method is not applicable. Okay, now next we consider matrix A is equal to L into L transpose. That are the notations only. L is a lower triangular matrix, its transpose is L transpose. So first L is lower triangular matrix, so I write some notations. So the first the lower triangular matrix, there 3 elements become 0, remaining 6 elements are there. We note it L11 because the position is 1 1, so I given the notation is L11. Then here L21, L22, L31, L32, L33 with the lower triangular matrix. Then its transpose L transpose, only change the rows and column. Then we get L11, L21, L31 be the first column here. Then 0, L22, L32 be the second row from that column, and third column is 0, 0, L33, that is 0, 0, L33 with the L transpose. So first I write the notations only L and L transpose. Now we have to put this A matrix, that is this A matrix, L matrix and L transpose matrix in equation 2. Equation 2 means which equation? A is equal to L into L transpose. So A matrix become as it is, that matrix. L matrix also as it is, this matrix, and L transpose this matrix. So right hand side there are 2 matrices and left hand side there is 1 matrix. So we have to multiply these 2 matrices. So multiplication of 2 matrices, everyone knows how to multiply this. First row is multiplied to the first column, that is L11 into L11, that is L11 square. Then plus 0 into 0 is 0, 0 into 0 is 0, so only we get L11 square. Now first row, second column, that is our this element. So first row is L11, L21, L11, L21, 0 into L22 becomes 0, plus 0 into 0 is 0, so only L11, L21 be the second element. Now third element find by first row, third column. So L11 into L31 become L1131, then 0 into L32 becomes 0, plus 0 into L33 is also 0, so only get L11, L31 be the first row, third element. Now second row, so we go for second row here. Second row is multiplied to the first row. L21, L1, L21, L11, L22 into 0 becomes 0, 0 into 0 becomes 0, so only L21, L11. Now second row, second element, that is our second element here. L21 into L21 become L21 square, plus L22 into L22 become L22 square, and 0 into 0 is 0, so L21 square plus L22 square be the second element. Now third element of second row, that is second row, third column, L21, L31 plus L22, L32 plus 0 into L33 becomes 0, that is we get L21, L31 plus L22, L32. Now third row, now for that third row we take third row from L matrix, L31 into L11 is L31 L11 plus L32 into 0 is 0 plus L33 into 0 is also 0. So only we get L31 L11. That is that first element of third row. Now second element, L31 into L21 plus L32 into L22 plus L33 into 0 is 0. So only get L31 L21 plus L32 L2. And the last one, third row, third column, L31 into L31 become L31 square plus L32 into L32 become L32 square plus L33 into L33 become L33 square. That is L31 square plus L32 square plus L33 square become third. Now this will be the multiplication part, and this is common for all examples for Cholesky method. This multiplication is common. Now comparing this, we have the matrix A already. Now there are 9 elements here, 3 by 3 matrix. Also this is 3 by 3 matrix. We have to compare this element 1 to 1. That is, first element is compared with first, second element is compared with second, because two matrices are same. So by comparing this matrix A matrix with this multiplicative matrix, then we get the values of L11, L21, L22, L31, L32, L33. So we have to compare only 6 elements, because see that L11, L21 and this L1, L21, L11, these two equations are same, and also our given matrix is symmetric, means these two elements also same. Similarly L11, L31 and this L31, L11, these two elements also same. In matrix two elements means this is the same equation. Also this is same. And this third one, L21, L31 plus L22, L32 and L31, L22, L21 plus L32, L2, also these two is become the same equations. So out of that 3 same equations, we have to take 3 equations, and this diagonal element are 3 equations. So totally 6 equations are there. Using that 6 equations, we get that 6 unknowns, L21, L11, L21, L22, L31, L32 and L33. Once we get that 6 unknowns, put in matrix L here, also in L transpose. So we get matrix L and L transpose. We get both the matrices, right? Because L transpose is the transpose of L matrix. Then up to that one, that be the process to find L and L transpose. Next step to solving the system, we put A is equal to L into L transpose in our given system, that is matrix form. The value of A we take L transpose. So put here L into L transpose, that is we get L transpose X is as it is equal to B is also as it is. Only put A is equal to L transpose. Now we have to set here, because 3 matrices are there, we want only 2 matrices. So we set L transpose into X is equal to Z. Z is again we introduce here another matrix. Z matrix written as Z1, Z2, Z3 column matrix. We set L transpose X is equal to Z and put that value in equation 3. So we get LZ is equal to B by putting L transpose X is equal to Z. So LZ is equal to B. We can solve this system directly. By solving this system, we get Z. We see in example how to get Z. Then next, once we get Z, put that value of Z in equation number 4 here. That is L transpose X is equal to Z. Put Z here. Then we get matrix X. By solving we get matrix X, and this be our solution. That be the method. We take directly example of this method. So example. X plus 2y plus 14z is equal to 40. Next, 2x plus 17y minus 5z is equal to 101 minus 101. And last one, 14x minus 5y plus 83z is equal to 155. This is an example of Cholesky method. So how to identify, see that coefficient of 2, y is 2, coefficient of x is 2. So symmetric elements 14, 14, minus 5, minus 5. So symmetric matrix is there, Cholesky method is applicable here. So first step is that we have to write given system written in matrix form. The matrix form is Ax is equal to B. So A matrix, that is coefficient matrix of unknowns, which one is 4, 2, 40, then 2, 17 minus 5, 14 minus 5, 83. This is coefficient matrix, that is A matrix. Now unknowns here are x, y, z, and is equal to B matrix is right hand side elements 14 minus 101, 155. Yes. Once you write in matrix form, next step is directly consider A is equal to L into L transpose. This matrix is symmetric matrix, then we can write A as a L into L transpose. Then we consider matrix L, same L11 0 0, L21 L22 0, L31 L32 L33 with the notations only. Then write L transpose, that is transpose matrix of L, only change the rows and columns. We get that L11 L21 L31 0 L22 L32 0 0 L33. This is L transpose matrix. Now put this A matrix, L transpose matrix in 2. That is this our second equation. A is equal to L into L transpose. Just I put here matrix A. Remaining our L and L transpose matrix become same. So A matrix is 4, 2, 40, 2, 17 minus 5, 14 minus 5, 83. So just I put A matrix, this L matrix become this as it is, L transpose as it is. Now multiplication of that two matrices, just we saw that multiplication, how it comes. Rows is multiplied to the columns. Using matrix multiplication we get this step. So I write it again. A matrix here. This is our second equation. So A matrix is 4, 2, 40, 2, 17 minus 5, 14, 40 minus 5, 83. That A matrix as it is. Now comparing the elements, first element of first column is 4, here is L11 square. So I write L11 square is equal to 4. By taking square root, we get L11 is equal to 2. We take only positive values for this. L11 is equal to 2. Next, see the second element is 2 here. Second element is L11, L21. L11, L21 is equal to 2. See the comparison. L11 square is 4. L11, L21 is 2 now. So you know the value of L11. If I put L11 here 2, then 2 times L21 is equal to 2. Then L21 is equal to 1 by dividing by 2. Now we get L21, this value. First is L11 value. Now third element is here. L11, L31 is equal to third element is here 40. Again L11 is 2, so put here L11 is 2, L31 is equal to 40, so we get L31 is equal to 7. Now we get third element. Now remaining 3, so I write here now. This first row is completed. we cannot take this element because this and this becomes same. L21, L11 is again 2, we get same equation. So we take that next. L21 square plus L22 square is equal to, the middle element is here is 17. So I take 17 here. So you know the value of L21, which is 1. So 1 square plus L22 square is equal to 17, but 1 square is 1, so take on right hand side. So L22 square is 17 minus 1, that is L22 square is 16. By taking square root, L22 is equal to 4. Now we get fourth value here. Now that first 3 elements completed, this become repeated one. Now this fifth one is completed. Now next one. So that element L21 L31 plus L22 L32 become the last element in second row. Similarly, last element in second row is minus 5. So put all the values in that. So L21 is 1, L31 is 7 plus L22 is 4, L32 as it is equal to minus 5. Now 7 into 1 becomes 7, take on right hand side. So 4 L32 is equal to minus 5 minus 7, that is 4 L32 is equal to minus 12, that is L32 is minus 3 by dividing by 4. So you get fifth element. Now only one is remain. Because we cannot take this L31, this one repeated here. Again we cannot take this element because this one is also repeated. Now we take last two. Means we have to take which 6 equation, first row 3 equation, and remaining this second row second element, second row third element, and third row third element. Now the last L31 square plus L32 square plus L33 square be the last element in third row, and we have to give one in matrix A, which one is 83. Now L31 square, L31 is 7, so 7 square plus L32 is minus 3, that is minus 3 square plus L33 is equal to 83. Now you know that 7 square, which is 49, minus 3 square is 9, plus L33 square is equal to 83. So 49 plus 9 is 58, that is L33 square is 83 minus 58, that is L33 square is 25. So L33 root of 25 is 5. So you get last element, which is 5. Then we get all elements. Now I write L matrix. L matrix is L11 0 0, L21 L22 0, L31 L32 L33. This is L matrix. Now put all the values in that. So here we find L11 is 4. L11 is root of 4, which is 2. Then L21, by dividing these two elements become 0. By dividing we get L21 is 1, L22 is 4, and L32 is minus 3. Then L31 is 7, L32, sorry, here I write L32, L32 is here 0, this element is 0, this 3 element is 0, L32 is minus 3, and L33 is 5. This is matrix L. Then L transpose is equal to L11, L21, L31, 0, L22, L32, 0, 0, L33. So put it again, that is this transpose 2 1 7 0 4 minus 3 0 0 5. Now we get both the matrix L and L transpose. Now our next step is that we have to put A is equal to L into L transpose in our matrix form. Matrix form is Ax is equal to B. So after putting this, we get L into L transpose X is equal to B. Give it as some next equation. I write here suppose 3. Then we set L transpose X is equal to Z. This is introduced with Z. We get 4 here. Put that value of L transpose X is equal to Z in equation 3. So we get LZ is equal to B. So L matrix, you know that L matrix is 2 0 0, then 1 4 0, 7 minus 3 5. Z matrix, we consider that Z matrix is any notations. I take here Z1, Z2, Z3. So Z1, Z2, Z3 and B matrix is 40 minus 101, 155. This is B matrix. Now you know the matrix multiplication. Now 2 into Z1 become 2Z1. Next 0 into Z2, 0 into Z3, 0. That is 2Z1 is equal to 40. That is I directly write Z1 is equal to 7. Then next equation 1 into Z1, Z1 plus 4 into Z2, 4Z2 and 0 into Z3 becomes 0 is equal to minus 101. So Z1 is put Z1 is equal to 7 here. That is 7 plus 4Z2 is equal to minus 101. Then 4Z2 is equal to minus 101 minus 7 becomes minus 108. By dividing by 4, we get minus 27 with the value of Z2. And the last equation, last equation 7Z1 minus 3Z2 plus 5Z3 is equal to, so that this row is multiplied to that column is equal to 155. So you know the value of Z1 which is 7, Z2 is minus 27. So 7 into 7 minus 3 into minus 27 plus 5Z3 is equal to 155. So 7 into 7 49 minus 20 minus 27 into minus 3 become plus 81 plus 5Z3 is equal to 155. So 5Z3 is equal to 155 minus 49 minus 81. So 5Z3 is equal to, so that minus 49 minus 81 130 that is 25. So Z3 is divided by 5 become 5. So you get Z1, Z2, Z3, that is this matrix Z matrix is Z1 as a 7, Z2 as a minus 27 and Z3 is 5. Once you get matrix Z, you have to put here, we set L transpose X is equal to Z, that is put in our fourth equation is L transpose X is equal to Z. So you know the value of L transpose which is 217, then 0 4 minus 3 0 0 5. This is the value of L transpose. X is our unknown matrix X Y Z, and Z matrix just we calculate 7 minus 27 5. Now again multiply these two matrices, then we get 2x plus y plus 7z is equal to 7. Second equation is 4y minus 3z is equal to minus 27. Last equation is 5z is equal to 5. See that this matrix is multiplied to this column matrix only. So we get these three equations. Now from last, this is backward substitution, and here we find forward substitution. So using that backward substitution, first we 5z is equal to 5 means z is equal to directly 1. Put z is equal to 1 in previous equation, that is 4y minus 3 into 1 is equal to minus 27. So 4y minus 3, take on that side, minus 27 plus 3, that is 4y is equal to minus 24, that is y is equal to minus 6. And the last equation, that is 2x plus y plus 7z is equal to 7. Put in that x value of z and y, that is 2x plus y, that is minus 6, 7 into z, that is 7 into 1 is equal to 7, that is minus 6 plus 7 become 1. So 2x plus 1 is equal to 7, that is 2x is equal to 7 minus 1 become 6, that is x is equal to 3. Here we get x is equal to 3, y is equal to minus 6 and z is equal to 1. Be the solution of given system of linear equation. Just I write here the solution. Finally, x is equal to 3, y is equal to minus 6 and z is equal to 1. Be the solution of given system of linear equation by using Cholesky method. Okay, thank you.